Move forward?
Yeah.
Okay. My name is Pam Todd, and this is Samuel Todd. Say hello, Samuel.
Hello.
And today we're going to use Samuel's email account and show him how to use Google Docs, which he'll be able to use for his homework. How will that help you, Samuel, not to have a jump drive?
I won't have to carry it around everywhere, so it'll be easy to save things.
And it'll be harder to lose things, too, won't it?
Yeah, because if the flash drive gets lost, my information won't be lost.
And will you be able to get access to a computer at school and the internet? So you could work on something at school.
And then work on it at home on Gmail.
Great. Okay. We've opened a Gmail account, and we've got it pretty much the way we want. So click here on Gmail. There we go. Oh, no, it's doing internet slow today. Now, you also have a Skype account, but today we're just going to talk about Gmail. These are your introductory things about getting Gmail on your mobile phone. Don't open these now. We're just going to go over them real briefly. How to import your contacts from another email, which you don't have, so you can customize Gmail later with colors and themes. You can come and play with it. So what we want to do now is look at the great tools that Gmail offers. Click on Documents. Now you have your very own Google Docs. And in Google Docs, you can open anything you like. There's next here. Open that. Under Create New. And let's just look and not open anything right now at what we've got. You can do a drawing, a form, a spreadsheet. You know how to use spreadsheets?
No.
That's going to be something you can really use with your Science Fair project next year. It's going to be great. You can make bar graphs, pie graphs, and things like that with your data using spreadsheets. And Google on YouTube has great tutorials on how to do that as well, we can look at later. You can do a slideshow presentation with Google Docs and a regular document. Alright? You want to open up maybe a regular document.
Okay.
And you'll see here you have all the normal settings that you have in your word processor on your computer with some added benefits. You can insert links to different websites by going to the website. Let's go and open a website and it'll show you. What's a website you like to visit?
Rewrite.
Okay. Type it in. Right. Tell us what free rice is.
It's a internet website where if you answer questions correctly, you donate rice to the people who need rice and are hungry.
Through the what? What's the name of the group? Don't we know that? The World Food Program. Yeah, and it helps eliminate hunger. So this is a website that's a game and a quiz website. All right, copy the URL by highlighting it and using your copy tool. And I'm going to show you something important to know about Google Docs. You can't paste using the mouse. You have to hit Central. You can go to Edit and paste, and it'll tell you what you do. Instead, use Central C for copy, Central X for cut, and Central V for paste. Control V for paste. It looks like Central. I always say Central. Control V, and you'll paste it. Now, okay. You can do that, or you can write the word, say, you want to write the word Sam's favorite website. Now highlight that with your mouse. This is another way you can put a hyperlink in without having the actual link visible if you wanted to include it in a paragraph. And you say you wrote a paragraph about something and you wanted to make a word something, someone could click on it and take it to the reference. Go up here to the chain, click that, paste it. You can, yes, Control V. Okay. Now, click down here and see what it looks like without that. you can click on the words you put there, and it'll take you to your favorite website. Where you click on the words, and you kind of click down on what pops up underneath. So you can call this document My Favorite Website. ITE. Spelling lesson in here. Backspace. Okay. Website. The next lesson is going to be how to type on a keyboard, I'm thinking. Alright, go ahead. What do you think? You need some lessons on that?
Yeah.
Alright, so now when you go into Google Docs, you'll have this. And you can paste websites all over this document if you want to save them. There's other websites you can use as bookmark holders that are really great. But just to start out with, this is a good idea, and it shows you how to insert hyperlinks in your stuff. You do the same with pictures. You can go to Google Images and copy the URL of a picture, or you can go to Google Image Search, and you choose it and paste it in. Like, say you wanted to put a picture of rice, because the free rice website. Search images, and you could just pick a neat picture of rice. That's a neat one. Fried rice is good. Rice peel. No. Go back to the... There we go. Okay, you did it. You did it. Look, I'm telling you now. And you see that? Got a picture of rice. That's sticky rice. That's good stuff. All right. Okay, so let's go and open up another page, another thing. Let's go to Blogger. You can click on Blogger here. All right, this is your email address. You type in the password for your email account. Alright, now you want to pick a display name for your blog. You want to choose carefully a display name that doesn't give away too much personal information, but that will be easy for you to share with people that you like to share it with. You probably want all of them in a row, just like with your email address. No? I'm not sure. Okay, try that, see if it works. You have to accept the terms of service.
I accept the terms of service.
And click continue.
Continue.
Alright, create your blog now.
Just click on it? Okay.
Now you'll give your blog a title. This is going to be the name at the top of your page. And now you need a URL or an address. And you'll have to check availability for this too. I'm not sure if that's going to work for you there.
Let's just try it.
Yeah, the characters are not allowed. So just take this out and use a dot. Try that. Check availability first.
Check availability.
Yep, you're going to have to not use those periods. Okay. Check availability. You're not going to be able to use that either. You're going to have to use these letters. Oh, it's not available. Try again.
Let's see.
How about your middle name? And your first name? Backwards? Forward. Upside down. Inside out. I didn't mean literally backwards. I meant maybe your middle name then your first name. Is that your middle name backwards? Okay, try it. That's cool. Oh, it's not available. Oh, it is available. Look at that. That's your grandpa's name backwards. All right, go ahead. It's pretty easy. Now you pick a template. You can explore around. If I know you, you're going to like the awesome template. If I know you, that looks kind of like my guys down there, and they're awesome. All right. Start blogging now or customize how your blog looks.
I think I want to customize.
Okay. Now in Awesome, you have all these different types, these choices. But this is what it looks like now.
Let's try. No, I like it.
All right. Apply to blog. All right. And you can come back later and do advanced stuff. But right now, let's go to your blog. Let's go to View Blog. What you'll want to do next is upload a picture of yourself and all these things in design. And we can do that later, but for now, what we did and wanted to do was to open a Gmail account,
Which we did.
explore Google Docs a little bit,
Yes.
and start your blog. Now, over the next week or two, you can play with it and see how you like, using it and everything. I think we learned a lot. Do you feel like you learned something?
Yep.
Valuable?
Yep.
You're on there, man. You're in the web. Thank you very much. Have a good
Have a nice
day.
day.
You too. Class dismissed.